Let's make pepperoni pizza dip. To a mixing bowl, add a block of softened cream cheese, a half cup of sour cream, a half cup of mayo, a half cup of shredded mozzarella, a few tablespoons of shredded parmesan cheese, and about a quarter cup of pizza sauce. Now mix this together really well. Then take about 30 pepperoni slices and cut them into quarters. Mix this into the cream cheese mixture. Pour the cream cheese mixture into a 9-inch pie plate and spread out evenly. Top that with 3/4 of a cup of pizza sauce, another half cup of shredded mozzarella, and about a third cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Now you can place your pepperonis on top and bake in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes or until the cheese bubbles along the edges. Serve with tortilla chips, crackers, crostini, sliced French bread, or mini naan. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, but I have a feeling you won't have any leftovers. Enjoy!